And in front of me is Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear, currently they are muted, so you cannot hear any touch sounds here, but if you would like to change it, all you have to do is to open the list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and pick sound, scroll down and select advanced. Here go to the bottom of the list and under other sounds and vibrations you will find touch sounds smoothly marked, and from now on, as you can hear, it is active. So this is it, that would be all. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.